Welcome to our video on using Excel to calculate driving distances with Google Maps and CDXGeodata. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use our driving calculations matrix template to quickly and accurately calculate distances for an array of start and destination addresses. The template works with data from Google Maps and includes support of alternate data sources such as Here Technologies. This powerful tool is ideal for logistics, sales route planning, or any scenario where you need up-to-date distance calculations. CDXGeodata was developed for both business users as well as programmers that need powerful location analytics. These functions can be accessed through user-friendly Excel add-ons that work in both Windows and Mac OS environments. Geodata web services can also be consumed directly for website and software program development. To follow along, you'll need the driving matrix calculations template. Simply download it from the templates page on our website. A link for this is included in the video description. As you can see, many application templates are available for distance, geocoding, address verification, and other applications. Once downloaded, open the file in Excel. Make sure macros are enabled, because the template uses VBA macros to retrieve data from Google. Excel files containing macros may need to be unblocked after downloading from the web. A link is available in the template describing how to do this. As a first step, you will need to set up a Geodata API key. You can get a free one-time API key with 100 request tokens on our website without registering. Obtaining the key does not require a login email or credit card. This will allow you to try out the service risk-free. You can also obtain a free development key, which provides 1,000 request tokens per month, using a link in the video description below. This requires a verified email address, but does not require a credit card. These requests are renewed each month, although unused tokens are not carried over. Additional tokens are available for purchase at cdxtech.com. You will also need separate API keys from the mapping service you wish to use. Geodata works with both Google Maps and Here Technologies. Both services offer generous free usage per month, but be aware separate charges can occur. Support articles are available on our website, which covers setting up these API keys. The template initially opens to a help screen describing how to use it. Press the Get Started button or click on the first tab. As a first step, enter the Geodata API key you received. Once the key is entered, you will also need to associate either a Google or Here API key with your account. This can be done with the API buttons shown on the Settings dialog. On the Driving Matrix tab, you'll see column B is used for the first set of addresses, and row 9 is used for the second. You can enter street addresses, zip codes, or even latitude-longitude coordinates. Addresses must be entered in single-line format. Once your data is in place, click Calculate to retrieve the driving distance or driving time. The results will appear in the matching row and column for each pair of locations. You have the ability to determine what data appears in the template using the Calculate drop-down list. Driving time can be set to minutes, hours, or days. Let's try a quick demonstration. I've entered a set of start and destination addresses. When I click Calculate, the template sends these addresses to Google, determines the driving distance, and places the result in your spreadsheet. As you can see, the entire process is fast and efficient, saving you the manual hassle of using external map lookups or other tools. Once your account is configured, large arrays of addresses can be completed with a single click. That's it. You've learned how to harness CDXGeodata to quickly calculate driving distances and time matrices in Excel. For more details, visit us at cdxtech.com to explore subscription options and additional functionality. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Excel and data management tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below.